Data types in Python. Python does provide some built-in data types. Let's understand what are those data types. So Python does provide number, then it also provides string data type. We can also use list, dictionaries, tuples. Some people call it as a tuples. Let's understand one by one. So there are three different types of numbers we can see in Python. One is the integer, then second is the float, and third is complex data type. Okay. Then in the string, we know that it is a collection of characters and it will represented with the double quotes. So list will be a collection of ordered object types where we can access any element from the list by using the index. Whereas dictionaries are also similar to collection of items or object, but to access those objects we use key. So dictionaries will have key and value. Then we also have a tuples. It is similar to the list, but the difference is that whatever we have in a tuples, we cannot add, insert, modify those existing things. However, in list we can insert new items, we can delete items, we can perform some operations. So this is main difference between tuples and list. Otherwise they are similar. Let's understand each of this by example. Let me comment it out whatever we have here. Okay. If I put n is equal to 10 and if I print type of n, let's see what it will give. Run. You can see the class returns integer data type. Now if I put some value as 10.5 data type, we'll be getting class as a float. Let's understand how to do this for the complex number. If I put 10 plus 6j and if I run this code, it will give me class type or a data type as a complex. So this is about the number. Let's understand about the string. So string is collection of characters. I can put here one string, uh, and if I print this, you can see it's returning string data type. Let's understand for the list. So list is a collection of items, and list we define between braces. We will be putting whatever items we want to put. We put some L is equal to, and here I'll be having some elements in the list. I'll put print type of L. What is the data type of this L? Okay. And if I run this code, it will return class type as a list, right? So it is collection of objects. And if you want to print any item of this list, all you need to do is L. Yeah, if you want to fetch any specific record, all we have to do is copy this whatever index you want to see. You have to copy this index into rectangular bracket. This will print value of that particular index. So index starts from 0. So for the 0th index we have saved 1, and for the 1 number index we have saved 2, and that is why we can see printing 2. Let's understand dictionaries. For example, I'll just remove all of this. If I have a student data where if I get the name, name will be my string character, then the in which class he is right now, so that we can put as an integer value. So standard I can put he is studying in 5th standard, let's say. Now if I want to put this whole thing under one thing, we can call it as a dictionary. So how we can define dictionary, let's understand that. So here I can call this as a student data, and I can put opening braces that this, I can give these details. Okay, so this name will be my key here. So I can put like this, and I have another record with the standard. And in dictionary, one more change is that instead of this assignment operator, we have to use this colon. I remove this and put my colon. Now this will be called my dictionary. So dictionary will be having collection of items, but they belongs, each item belongs to one. So this name or the standard will be my key. Now if I want to print name, how I should print? So print student, and then I can pass name of that student here. I can pass student with my dictionary name, and what is my key here? Name. So if I run this, you can see here Monica. If I use standard as my key, let's run this code again. You can see this value 5. So this is how dictionary works. Now let's understand how tuples are work and how they are different. So tuples are nothing but, if you know that if your values are already fixed or set of data is already fixed, then you can go to the tuples. So I have one example for the tuple already. So for example, weeks are already, days of weeks are already defined. So we cannot change. There are only 7 days, and those will be always there. So we can define those kind of things into the tuple, where we don't need to add any day here because this is the fixed thing. Similarly, months, list of month is also fixed, so you can add those kind of things as an tuple.